Hi, I'm Beth Ridley, leadership and workplace culture expert. I'm excited to facilitate a workshop for you on March 13th called Build Belonging to Boost Well-Being. We're going to dive into what belonging means and why it matters at work, especially when it comes to fostering a positive mental mindset, resilience, and overall well being among employees. This is an extremely important and timely topic because studies show 89% of workers report a decline in their workplace well being. And I think many of us can relate to feeling more disconnected, anxious, and just stressed out at work these days. For that reason, companies are investing in strategies to address loneliness, burnout, and disengagement at work now more than ever. And fostering a workplace culture of belonging is one such highly effective strategy, with research showing that creating a culture of belonging where employees can be themselves, connect genuinely, and feel valued is a huge contributor to what helps us thrive at work and in life. In my workshop, we'll unpack the latest research on the benefits of a workplace culture of belonging and equip you with practical tips that you can apply right away to nurture belonging in your interactions with colleagues and in team meetings. I'll provide lots of real life examples and actionable advice. So be sure to register, and I look forward to seeing you there.